Redken's principle-based placements will give you a guide on how to place your foils to get the best results on every client every time. There are 3 lines we work with to create placements: horizontal, vertical, and diagonal. Each of these lines will create a different overall effect. By understanding how these lines work, you will be able to use them individually or mix them throughout the head to create custom highlight effects for your clients. Be sure to watch all the principle-based placement episodes. Horizontal placement is used to create a very heavy look in the final color result. Each foiled section of hair ultimately ends up falling on top of each other. It gives a very solid appearance. When looking at the head form horizontally, change of direction occurs from the bottom to top and defines the nape, back, crown and top, and the side areas. Start by finding the high point of the head. This is where your comb rests evenly when balanced on the top of the head. From this point, separate the front from the back by parting from the high point to the natural break just behind the ear. Next, separate the head from side to side by parting from the high point to the center front and from the high point to the centered nape. Clip the back hair out of your way. Separate the sides from the top by finding the parietal ridge. Place your comb on the side of the head. Where it raises off is the parietal ridge. Part from the temple to the part located just behind the ear. Clip each section. Do the same on the opposite side. Separate the crown using the round of the head. Place your comb flat in the crown area. Where it lifts off is where we will make the part. Clip up the crown area. Separate the nape from the back by placing your comb flat against the nape area. Where it lifts off is where we make the part. Clip up the back right and left sections. The remaining hair is the nape. Think of sewing using a standard stitch and move your tail comb evenly up and down through the section. Take the hair that has been stitched out and place on a foil. Saturate evenly with product. Introduce the color to the hair approximately 1 inch from the scalp area and then slowly work the product up to the edge of the foil. This will prevent product from seeping onto the other hair. Make sure not to swirl the ends. This may cause uneven color results. Instead, fold the hair onto itself and apply the product. Fold or cover with foil. Drop down the next ½ inch section and continue to stitch from the top, 1/8 to 1/4 inch as before. This leaves a section of uncolored hair between the weaves and creates the dimension desired with a highlight service. Complete the entire section. Repeat on the left side of the nape section. Begin the back section and the right side. Take the same size sections and stitches as you did in the nape. As you work in this section, the head becomes wider, and it may be necessary to place foils side by side to accommodate the section. A good measure is the distance between your middle finger and first finger. Complete the entire section. Repeat on the left side back. The next section is a front right side. Continue weaving using a standard stitch and ½ inch section as before. Complete this section. Continue on the front left side. Intentionally leave out or include the front hair. Move to the right side top section. When working next to a part line, intentionally leave a 1/8 inch section of natural hair to separate and keep consistent dimension. Move to the back of the head to work in the crown area. Weave with consistent stitches. Consider bricklaying the foils in this area for best results, still utilizing horizontal sections. Complete the crown area.